Hello everyone, Ksenia is here. In this video, I'll tell you about the very useful option that is called Quick Menu. Why do you need to know about it? Procreate has a lot of useful features, but most of them are hidden under the top menu or somewhere else, and it takes too much time and effort to first find them, and second get back and forth to deactivate them. However, by using the Quick Menu, we can choose the needed tools and options way faster. Firstly, we need to assign a shortcut to activate Quick Menu. We need to go under Actions, Prefs, Gesture Controls, Quick Menu. And here we can toggle one option from the list to set the shortcut for Quick Menu. For example, you can assign one finger touch for that purpose. When we did it, we can go back to the canvas and try it out. Invoke the Quick Menu with the shortcut you've assigned. You'll see 6 buttons placed radially where you can put the most used tools. If you want, you can customize the buttons according to your needs. To do so, tap and hold the button till the Set Action menu is invoked. Here you can find and select the options you require. If a single set of Quick Menu options is not enough, you can add more profiles. That is useful if you work in various styles or need multiple sets of options for different parts of the work. To create a new Quick Menu profile, invoke the menu and tap on the central button. This will bring up the profile menu. Tap the plus button in the top right to add a new profile. The buttons will be clear, but same as with the first profile, tap and hold each button to assign the actions you want to add. To rename the profiles, you can double-tap titles and rename them from here. To swap between profiles, invoke Quick Menu and tap the central button. Tap any of your profiles in the window to choose the one you need. And that's it for the Quick Menu. Hope this quick tutorial was helpful, and if you still have any questions, write them down in a comment section down below. And also, I suggest you to watch my previous video about general hand gestures to make your work in Procreate even easier and faster. And that's it, see ya!